Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to solve maximum problem in Codeforces problem E max. For solving this problem, you have to read the requirement first, give a number n, and number n's find maximum numbers is this line and numbers. You have to take input, first line contains a number, its range will be n greater than equal 1 and less than or equal 1000 or 10 cube, and second line contains n numbers which range is 0 to 10 to the power 9. Output, you have to print the maximum number only. You can see an example here, input and output. For solving this problem I am using Visual Studio Code. You can use code blocks, PyCharm as you want. First of all, creating file, you have to give a name, then .cpp, otherwise your program won't work. Then create file. First of all, you have to include IO stream, that means standard input and output stream. Then you have to include using namespace std. Std means standard library, and then you have to include int main function. At last return 0 for breaking the program. First of all, int a variable called max and assign a number 0. Input it, then again we are going to add an int num because we have to output like this. Now I am going to use for loop, int I equal 1, that means our loop will be started from 1 and will go less than or equal 12, then I plus plus, you have to input the num variable into the loop, so type c num. If num variable greater than max, max will be num, max equal num. This is simple. If num greater than max, max equal num. Then after ending for loop, you have to see out, write see out, type see out max variable, then you have to type an end line. Then if you want to run the code, you can click Ctrl plus Alt plus N or simply run from here. Run the code and type the variable. I am typing here 5 input. According to Codeforces problems, I am typing 18575. Then hit enter. After entering, you are seeing that our maximum is 8. That means our program is running well. Simply you can copy it. First of all, select it by Ctrl plus A, then copy it by Ctrl C. After copying, you have to submit, so click submit. Then source problem number, then select GNU, always select 14.6.0. After pasting Ctrl B, click submit. Now we are seeing the running on test 48 after at last accepted. So that's all. Thanks for watching.